Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Siti Madinah. I'm here to tell you about my explanation text that the trending topic phenomenon in my country. This is reviving the national examination. Why will the UN be reintroduced again after stopping several years? The Indonesian government plans to revive the national examination or UN in the 2025-2026 academic years. This decision caused various response from the community, educators, and students. The Minister of Primary and Secondary Education, Abdul Muti, stated that the UN concept was ready, but implementation would not begin until 2025. He added the implementation scheme would be announced in due course. Minister of Primary and Secondary Education Abdul Muti also said that the main aim of reviving the national examination is to improve educational standard and ensure that graduates have adequate competencies. Source Kompas 2025. With the UN, the government hopes to be able to measure educational standards more clearly and uniformly throughout Indonesia. President Prabowo Subianto also expressed his support for the revival of the UN. The national examination can help improve the quality of education and ensure that school graduates have adequate competencies, said President Prabowo. Source Presidential Secretariat 2025. However, this decision raised pros and cons. Some teachers support the return of the national examination because they think it can improve the quality of education and provide clear benchmarks from student achievements. Example of direct public expression about the UN. I agree with reviving the UN because it will make education in Indonesia more competitive, said Tono, Uveren in Surabaya. Source Jawa Post 2025. I don't agree with reviving the national examination because it will make me too stressed and unable to enjoy the learning process, said Andy, a student in Bandung. Source BBC News Indonesia 2025. Apart from that, several parties highlight that the national examination only assists academic aspects without considering other aspects such as character, social abilities, or life skill. In fact, education should not only be about academic knowledge but also shape students' personalities so they are able to face the challenge and test of life. I'm so worried that the national examination it will make focus too much on exam and ignore the actual learning process, said Rina, a teacher in Jakarta. Source Detik News 2025. In conclusions, the revival of the UN in the 2025-2026 academic year is the government's effort to improve the quality of education in Indonesia. Although there are pros and cons, the implementation of the national examination must be carried out carefully, considering students' needs and abilities, and ensuring that educational evaluation cover various important aspects in student self-development. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.